welcome back. So let's get started now. This is the first one, yeah. We have like my braid. Yeah, I'm the first one. Two. I have donuts. There's a sprinkle with chocolates and ribbons. That's so cute. Donut eat, okay. So let's open this one. This is the hamburger. It's cute, yeah. Cheeseburger or hamburger, the same one. So let's go to the next one. So I think this is like the blusher or that. Yeah, I think so. So wait, I'm gonna pause because it's so many of that. So I'm gonna pause it. Continue my video. So let's go. The next one. This is a simple eye bloom. Yeah, it's not the eye bloom. This is a simple one. Jumbo peach. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. This is Lemon Panda bun. Yeah, the bun. This is super cute. This is the girl, okay? They're not the boys. We have girl boys, but I'm not have the boys. So let's go to the next one. So this is Hello Kitty in pineapple. Pineapple ribbon. So this is the last one. So yes, so bye. Wait, sorry, bye. So let's go. This is the last one of icing and this strawberry on top and squishy. Oh my god, that's super duper squishy. Oh, sorry. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my video. So thank you for watching. Bye.